Dashara of the Sun is a festival that celebrates the advent of a holy river Ganga from the heaven above. This festival falls on Dashami, 10th day of the month of Jyeshtha, and is a 10-day long festival. It is observed on the ghats of Ganga in Haridwar, Rishikesh, and Allahabad, where devotees take a dip in the river water, hoping to rid oneself of the sins for 10 consecutive days. This is considered a purification act. Ganga Dashara is a big festival that attracts a lot of devotees. On the same day, the River Yamuna is also worshipped and kite flying events are organized. At Dasharavamedh Ghat in Varanasi, several rituals such as Deep Daan, offering of floating diyas to the river, and Maha Aarti are conducted. They distribute drinks such as lassi, sharbat, and shikanji.
Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is one of the biggest and the most popular festival of Uttarakhand. It is a religious festival that is celebrated 4 times over a course of 12 years. Hindus believe that those who bath in the sacred waters during the Kumbh are eternally blessed by the divine. All their sins are washed away and they come one step closer to the salvation. Kumbh Mela is held every 3 years and switches between 4 different locations: Haridwar, the river Ganga; Prayag, Triveni Sangam; Ujjain, river Kshipra; and Nasik, river Godavari. The Mela returns to each location after a span of 12 years. Kumbh Mela is determined by the entry of planet Jupiter in Taurus zodiac, and while the Sun and the Moon is in the Capricorn.
Holi of Kumaon. The Holi of Kumaon is celebrated in 3 forms, namely Bhaikti Holi, Khari Holi, and Mahila Holi. The speciality of this festival is that it is celebrated with a lot of music. The Bhaikti and Khari Holi are unique in the sense that the songs played have a different kind of texture, fun, and melody to it. These songs are based on some classical ragas. During the Bhaikti Holi, the event begins from the temple and is accompanied by songs sung by the professional singers known as Holiars. The people of Kumaon are particular about the songs which should be sung. At noon, songs based on ragas including Pilu, Sarang, and Bhim Parsi are sung, while in the evening, songs based on ragas including Kalyan, Yaman, and Shyam Kalyan are sung. In rural Kumaon, Khari Holi is celebrated. White churidar and kurta is worn by the people who sing songs during Khari Holi.
Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami is the festival which celebrates the coming of Basant or spring season. It is a significant festival in Uttarakhand. This festival marks the end of winter, a season of death and decay, and is celebrated in the month of January or February. The locals dress themselves up in yellow clothing, perform Chaun Pula and Jumelia dances, and fly kites. They worship Saraswati, goddess of knowledge, and sweet rice is made in almost every home.
Ganesh Chaturthi is the day on which Lord Ganesha, the son of Shiv and Parvati, resurrected to life on earth with the head of an elephant. It is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi in Kannada. The day falls sometime between August and September. The festival lasts for 10 days, ending on Ananta Chaturdashi. The offerings include 21 darba, blades of grass, red flowers, coconut, jaggery, 21 modaks. The statue is anointed with kumkum and sandalwood paste. Vedic hymns from the Rig Veda, Ganapati Atharvashishta Upanishad, and Ganesha Shot from the Narad Purana are chanted.
Deepavali. The festival of lights is known as Deepavali. Deepavali celebration revolves around the triumph of good over evil, purity over impurity, light over darkness. It is one of the most important Hindu festivals. Across India, streets and temples are decorated with spectacular light displays and colorful garlands. Families, friends, and business associates exchange gifts and sweets, settle old business deals, and are encouraged to rid themselves of hate, anger, and jealousy.
The word Ugadi is derived from 2 different words, Yuga that means age in Sanskrit and Adi that means beginning in both Sanskrit and Kannada. This festival celebrates the new year in Karnataka. This day is also known as Chandramana Ugadi and refers to the beginning of new year according to the Hindi lunar calendar that usually falls in the months of March and April. It is believed that Lord Brahma began creating the world on this day, and Ugadi refers especially to the Yuga in which the current generation lives, that is, the Kali Yuga.